In this video, I will show you how to request money on the PayPal app. So first, just go and open up the PayPal app. Then what you want to do is click on Payments in the bottom. From here, click on Request in the top. Now here I have some of my top contacts, so you can go and request money from them, or you can request from someone new by clicking on the search bar and entering a name, username, or email right here, and then finding them. Now I'll just take one of these as an example. Now here you can choose how much you would like to do and in which currency, and then just click on next, and you can also add a message if you want, but just click next. And now click request now, and then they will get that request in their PayPal app, and they will also be notified through their email, and then they can go and pay, and then it will show up in your account once they do. So now you know how to request money on the PayPal app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.